So as I look around the kitchen, I have a ton of videos waiting to be filmed. You guys see the clean side of my kitchen, but that side is a disaster. You don't want to see it. And they're just products that remind me of episodes that are coming up. So like, for example, I have a bunch of like snacks. We're going to do a snack attack video. They're all from Canada. So we're going to taste those and try them out and talk about some of the Canadian chips and pretzels and stuff like that. I have, what else? Oh, I have the defrosting tray. We're going to do an experiment with defrosting meat on the tray, and that's going to be awesome. I've got the Reheatsa. It's called a Reheatsa. It's like the that range grill, the microwave grill I just did. It's like that. So we're going to try that out and see if that's better at a lower price than the Range Mate Pro. What other videos? Oh my gosh, I'm going to do a video on tea. I don't even know what that's going to look like yet. I know nothing about tea, so I'm doing research right now to just talk about it, try it, and see what you guys think about it. So much stuff going on. Things are going crazy, but right now, we're talking mixing bowls. That's right. You guys remember a year and a half ago, the Wolfgang Puck mixing bowls. Let me grab them real quick. So here they are, the Wolfgang Puck mixing bowls, and I got them on sale for around $30. Then I did a video on this set here, okay? It's the higher end set. It's got the silicone bottoms so your bowl doesn't spin. It sticks and it stays and it doesn't move, and I love that. Okay, and then the day I put up the video, they came off sale and went back up to $70 for the set. For this particular one, they're less expensive Wolfgang Puck sets, but this is the one I was promoting because I got on sale. I was all excited, okay? So people are like, wow, gosh, those are really nice. I wish I had a set like that at a lower price. In comes this set right here, Gabby. I don't know if it's Gabby or Gabay or what, but the name doesn't really matter. What matters is that this brand comes out with a 5-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with silicone bottoms. This box, I think they're around $28 for this set of mixing bowls with silicone bottoms. I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to take an up-close look. You guys ready? Come on in. Very compact. They fit in nicely. The problem with my Wolfgang ones, I can't get in. I literally have to turn them upside down to get a bowl out. Let's see how easy these come out. I have enough room to grab. There you go. And then let's check out some of the lids. Oops, my bad. Let's see how the lids fit. The Wolfgang lids are a little bit sturdier, but I don't use the lids, to be honest. I don't do a lot of baking. Sometimes you may make a frosting and you want to put a lid on that, or you may want to just set it on there. I have no idea what you'd want to lid a mixing bowl for, but there's probably a million ideas out there. Nice tight fit. Easy to grab, easy to take off. All right, here we go. I'm just going to drop 2 eggs in. Just making some scrambled eggs. Put a splash of milk in there. And let's see if this bowl stays. Look at this. I can be holding my phone, reading the recipe. Look at that silicone bottom. Nice. All right, guys, so I just finished cleaning this. I rinsed it out at the sink. Perfectly clean. Dried up just nice. Do me a favor, if you care about your stuff, your knives, your cookware, your baking ware, just wash them by hand. Don't use the dishwasher. I'm completely against the dishwasher for these things that you care about, okay? Plus, I'm sure that's going to get destroyed if you put that in the dishwasher. So do everything by hand. Cleans up nicely. Isn't that awesome? Well, there you go, guys. 5 mixing bowls, stainless steel, silicone bottoms at an affordable price. You also get the lids. I don't know if it's Gabby or Gabay, but I want to thank them for sending this to the show. And on top of this being at a great, like I think it's $27.95, $28, I got a 20% discount code. It's down below, okay? So use the discount code that I have, and you guys enjoy. Now you can mix away. Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.